Welcome back to Estrada Nada.
Do you?
Goodbye! Goodbye! I'm in it! Oh my god!
Alright, welcome back, Estrada Nada gang. This is another day. Fortunately, yesterday I did not get to start cleaning this. We're gonna start power washing everything. That way we can see what we're working with. And then once we're done power washing the outside, I'm gonna move to the engine. And then we're gonna go into the interior, get that all buttoned up, and get it ready for fucking sale. I think I'm gonna hit these last. Hit it with the polish and stuff. Yeah, I think it might be savable. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I can do with that. All right, we're gonna be using the power washer, and we're gonna be using this. We're gonna get started with the wheels first, take care of that, and then move on to the engine bay. Yes, I know you shouldn't use this, but this is all what we got. Now we're gonna move on to this next one. I'm gonna do these ones real quick. Yep, nice and clean. They look good. Take you guys around it. So as you see right here, I hit it a little bit with the pressure washer. It's coming off, so I think this fender's gonna be able to be saved. So now we're gonna move on to the outside, or actually the motor. We're gonna move on to the motor. Get you guys a before and after for that. All right, you can see everything. Do a quick snap, get through it. Yep, nice and clean. Just let it dry. And just hit these headlights, and then I'll do the whole exterior, and then we'll move on to the inside. All right, this is before and after. Damn, so all those scratches are inside the headlight, so that's the best I could do for that one. Before, now that I have the polisher out, I'm gonna hit this fender a little bit, see how that changes. So this right here is what I hit. It's kind of tough taking it off, I ain't gonna lie to you. But I'm gonna put the hood down and get back to it. I think that's the best it's gonna get. I'm gonna just hit it with some damn wax when I'm done cleaning it. There's no reason to even keep going, to be honest. That's good enough for me. And I'm gonna just go all the way around, take care of the outside. All right, I just got done washing it. I haven't hit it with no wax or none of that yet. Still gotta go through the rest of it. I'll do that. Scratch that off. Scratch that off. Pretty much outside is done. Then we're gonna move on to the interior. See how long that takes me. It shouldn't take me that long. Pretty dirty, so I gotta do what I gotta do. As you can see, it is all done. I'm gonna post pictures right here of the photos I took of it. Here's a quick walk around again. I know you guys want to see the interior. What did we do to the interior? Let me show you. Remember those markings? Those are gone. Look at that. Smells nice in here now. It's cleaned up real nice. Next time you guys see me, hopefully I'm gonna be selling it. Should be gone by then. I'm gonna post it up for like, I don't know yet. I gotta check prices on them, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be around 4,000 to 35 for it. Welcome back, gang. As you can see, we are in the Taurus, whatever the fuck you want to call it. As you just seen in the last clip, we sold the truck to a tow company. I just didn't want to put no money into it. I feel like it would have been a waste of money if I put any more money into it. Yeah, that's gone. I just left the title place. I'm waiting on the title for the bike. That way we can sell that, as well as our David's daily driver, the Honda that broke down. We gotta do a water pump on it. I don't know. I feel like we might sell that too. Get something else, because right now four cylinder manual cars are the need for these people. So I think we'll probably end up selling that. Honestly, I think we should, but we'll see what we got next. I'm waiting on this car to sell. I think I priced it a little too high at 39, so I dropped it down. I just needed to sell quickly, because I'm done with it. I don't have to do anything else to it. I just gotta sell it. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip.
Right, welcome back, everybody. We are here. New Ford Fusion. Here it is. Go around it. So the battery's not dead, look, because it's in the Ford's total service. Bought it off this lady that was gonna donate it. I have no idea if it starts. It has 98,000 miles or something like that. There's no way it starts. Yeah, that does not sound right. But yeah, we're gonna take this straight to the auction. What is the plan? We're gonna get a motor for it, but yeah, I think the auction is the plan for now. And the tow guy's gonna come and pick it up right now. That's what I'm here for. Got the title in hand. Taking it out of the Ford service. Let's see, I'll give you an update whenever the man gets here. We outside, motherfucker. Yeah, we're repossessing it. We're stealing it. Now we got the title right here. I couldn't speak to the service advisor because he was gone, so it looks like we're taking it, but I'm the owner. Or we're the owner. Strider Nada Motors are the owners. Ew. We'll catch you whenever we're at Copart. Over here letting the title fly away. Ow. Yeah. Here we go, y'all. We're outside. It's got really dark really quick. Here we go. I'll show you how it looks in the night. It is not gonna start, but let's see if we can bump some music for now. Yeah. There we go. Got the music. But yeah, here it is. Let's see if we can get the lights to turn on. Bow. The high beams or what? With the hazards? There it is. There you go. I got it. We outside, you know. Gotta take these wheels to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put them on the Honda. You heard? Yeah. Let's see what these fools talking about.
Give you guys a little update.